In this video, you will learn how to connect and configure a new FortiGate unit in transparent mode to securely connect a private network to the internet. Transparent mode is used when you want to silently apply security scanning to traffic without applying routing or network address translation, or NAT, such as when a FortiGate is used as an internal segmentation firewall, or ISFW. From a PC on the internal network, connect to the FortiGate's web-based manager using either FortiExplorer or an internet browser. Log in using an admin account. The default admin account has the username admin and no password. Go to the dashboard and enter the following command into the CLI console widget, substituting your own IP addresses where necessary. Config system settings, set op mode transparent, set manage IP, netmask, set gateway, IP, end. Wait a moment for the system to reconfigure, and then you will be able to access the FortiGate using the new management IP address that you just set. Go to the dashboard. The System Information widget will show that the operation mode is now transparent. Depending on your network setup, you may need to set the FortiGate's DNS settings now. They are set to use FortiGuard DNS servers by default, which is sufficient for most networks. But if you need to change the DNS servers, go to Network, DNS, select Specify, and enter primary and secondary DNS servers. Next, go to Policy and Objects, IPv4 Policy, and create a new policy to allow access to the Internet. Give the policy a functional name. In this example, Internet Access. Set the incoming interface to the internal interface, and the outgoing interface to the Internet-facing interface, which is typically WAN 1. Set source, schedule, and services as required. Make sure the action is set to accept. Then scroll down to view the logging options. In order to view the results, enable Log Allowed Traffic and select All Sessions. Now you'll need to connect your network devices. Go to the dashboard and locate the System Resources widget. Select Shutdown to power off the FortiGate unit. Alternatively, you can enter the following command in the CLI console: execute shutdown. Wait until all the lights, except for the power light, on your FortiGate have turned off. If your FortiGate has a power button, use it to turn the unit off. Unplug the unit. Now, connect the FortiGate's WAN 1 interface to your router's internal interface, and connect the FortiGate's internal interface to a device on your internal network. Power on the FortiGate unit. You can now browse the internet using any computer that connects to the FortiGate's internal interface, protected by the FortiGate's policies. In the FortiGate management interface, you can view information about the traffic being processed by your FortiGate by going to FortiView, All Sessions, and selecting the Now view. Select Add Filter and filter for Policy, selecting the name of your Internet Access policy. Only traffic flowing through that new policy will be displayed. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, click here to subscribe. And you can find a written version of this recipe on cookbook.fortinet.com.